My name is Sophia Boudreau, and today I want to show you a simple way to make a lovely high-waisted skirt. The materials you will need for this project are the following: 1 to 2 meters of fabric, elastic, needles, a sewing machine, thread that matches your fabric, dressmaker's chalk, a ruler and or measuring tape, scissors, and an iron. The first step is to take your measuring tape and measure your hip at its widest point. So that's about at this level. Take that measurement and add 20 centimeters to it. I've already taken that measurement and cut a length of fabric equal to it. Now you will take your elastic, and your elastic has to be the circumference of your waist. Now you will measure the top of your fabric and elastic and divide it into 5 equal parts. Now you will take each mark and align them with the mark on your fabric and pin it there with one of your needles. Now that you have pinned the elastic to the fabric, you're ready to sew it. The way you're going to do this is hold it at the elastic between partitions and stretch out, and you're going to carefully run this through the sewing machine at the width of the foot. Now if you want to make it a little bit easier to keep the fabric in place, stretch it out and you can add another needle in between. Your first stitch you will make without stretching, sewing at the width of the foot. So that means the edge of the foot has to be flush with the edge of our fabric elastic combo. So just do 1 or 2 stitches back and forth. Then keeping your needle in the fabric, stretch out, holding one end firmly, and sew. So finish in the same way we started, going back and forth a couple stitch. Now take your skirt and put right side on right side and pin. Pin the top part first and then go down and pin the bottom to make sure that the edges meet. Now that you have sewed up the sides, you're ready to iron out the seams. With that step done, we are ready to turn it inside out and see what we have. Voila! We are now ready to decide what length we want it to be. There are 2 ways you can do this. You can either try on your skirt and have a friend pin it up to the desired length, or you can take a measuring tape, put the top at your waist where the skirt will sit, let it fall, and see where you like it. Then you will measure that from the top of the elastic to the bottom of the skirt. I already have taken my measurements, so I am ready to pin up the bottom. Take your measurement at your back seam. There's quite a difference between my measurement and the bottom of the skirt, but I will cut at the end. I have taken my desired measurement for the length, and I have added 1.5 centimeters to it, which is at the measurement at which I will fold the fabric. So mark that measurement down on your fabric with a chalk, your dressmaker chalk, and using your ruler, measure the distance from the hem to your mark and mark it all around your fabric. Now that I've cut up the bottom, I'm ready to fold the hem at 1.5 centimeter. Start at your seam and fold it at approximately 1.5 centimeters. So pin all around. Now that you have pinned up the hem, you are ready to stitch. You will stitch along the edge here. So here is my final result. A lovely little skirt that I will enjoy wearing for whatever is left of this summer. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, that you learned from it, and that you will go out and make yourself one.